Everything on me costs it.
Let me see if that's cute, because you like to pick cute stuff for yourself and ugly stuff of me.
Oh, please.
Oh, that's cute. Daddy, is me a video in?
No?
Daddy, make sure that don't look
Well.
Prices is not today's prices. Send me the cases. Lightning all a flash, cause never say we are going. Somebody said big money ISAT. You hear that? Lightning and thunder roll. I'm on my LL Cool J vibe. Send me gifts. Gang gang. Gang gang. Yeah, big up. Straight out of Trinidad. Oh God. Pam pam padam pam. Sweet wine. Pam pam padam pam. Sweet wine. Uh-oh. We joining the team. That's what we doing. We popular. We number 60, 61. Baby, you're so popular. And I don't know why we go to Carnation Market, you know. I don't know why we cash out Friday when bank open back. Cash out my PayPal and go down to Carnation Market so I can buy my steamed fish and my water crackers. So that people can send me a week jelly back, man, and them things like. Somebody said the man needs to. Send me some gifts, you dunce, you fool. La 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 la. Love Miss Kitty, you know, because Miss Kitty bad. You see what I say? So my day I said that send me the big gifts them like want to send Miss Kitty. Now lawyer too, you know. Send me some gifts, man, some big gifts. Why are you being so duplicitous? Yeah? Sure. You are going to take Ninja, man. Take Ninja. Listen, let me tell you something. You see when you have 23 baby mother and 24 babes, real bad man, Ninja man.